If you're looking to supercharge your server's performance, the ATEC 256GB kit, 8x32GB, DDR3 1866MHz PC3-14900L ECC LRDIMM is a top-tier choice. This memory kit is specifically designed for select DDR3 servers and promises substantial improvements in system performance, reducing bottlenecks, and increasing your server's workload capacity. With a memory speed of up to 1867MHz and a configuration of PC3-14900 PC3-14900L, this kit ensures rapid data processing and seamless multitasking. Each module in this 256GB kit is a 32GB load-reduced DIMM, LRDIMM, with ECC, error-correcting code capabilities, which is essential for maintaining data integrity and system stability in server environments. The 4RX4 Quad-Rank X4 design further enhances performance, allowing for more efficient handling of large datasets. This memory operates at a JEDEC DDR3 standard voltage of 1.5 V, which is within the optimal range for most DDR3 server configurations. One crucial point to note is that this memory is compatible exclusively with servers and will not function in desktop computers, laptops, or personal PCs of any kind. Additionally, it cannot be mixed with other types of ECC memory, such as ECC registered, ECC unbuffered, or non-ECC unbuffered modules. Therefore, it's essential to verify the compatibility of this memory with your specific server model and its installed components before making a purchase. The ATEC 256GB DDR3 1866MHz memory modules undergo rigorous quality control testing to ensure reliable performance and dependability, a testament to ATEC's commitment to high standards. This kit also comes with a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind and long-term support. Plus, ATEC's knowledgeable tech support team is available to assist you before and after your purchase, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free upgrade experience. For server administrators and IT professionals looking to maximize their system's memory resources, the ATEC 256GB kit DDR3 1866MHz PC3-14900L ECC LRDIMM is an excellent investment. It not only enhances overall performance but also supports more efficient data processing and system stability, making it a powerful addition to any compatible server setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.